Hello, welcome to It's New. We tried to do a live show a little bit. It's
Oh,
new,
Mordy
but
said no.
Morty fainted.
Yeah.
I don't know. It just wasn't working out for us.
We barely did like promotion of the show
What
at
do we
all.
promote? We don't want to promote this thing. No.
It was Greg. It was like we need to do a selfie.
Oh, we did do a selfie, and we never got that. You emailed
Greg?
it. But
Send it to you. You can put it up on screen. I'll send it to you right now.
All right, cool.
We're the best
All right.
marketers ever.
So XMX was good. I think we all had an okay time. Morty just can't get enough of it, so he's sticking around for a little bit.
I'm still at the conference.
Yeah. Any event, I'm covering that Google seems to be rolling out AI mode fully now to the US, and that Google's testing audio overviews in Google search. What do you got for us anew?
We've got a few user interface updates for merchant and normal Google Ads even.
Greg?
There is a sizable change coming to custom segments.
And Morty?
Improving. ChatGPT says it's improving.
All right. Talking about improving, I don't know if it's improving or not, but Google is rolling out AI mode in the US. Google said about 3+ weeks ago at Google I/O that they're going to be rolling it out to the US without signing in. And then we waited. And then about 3 weeks, we see that it's actually starting to roll out. Google still has not announced this, that it's rolling out fully. I guess they said they would roll out, and it's rolling out. But if you do try an incognito mode and you're in the US, which Morty could definitely try for himself right now, you probably will see it. I've tested it numerous times and it's showing up for me. Some people are saying that you could actually see Search Console, like AI mode queries in Search Console. So Patrick Stocks said this, but then a bunch of other people like Glenn Gabe and Brody Clark said they've been testing this as well over the weekend, and they do not see query data from AI mode showing up in Search Console yet. And Google yet has not announced that it's been fully rolled out yet in the US, nor did they announce that the data will be in Search Console. So I guess maybe it's not fully rolled out in the US.
I see it.
I know, I see it.
Yeah, I'm staying. That's it. I'm staying here forever.
Can't get enough of it. And then if you really love Google tests, you could go to the Search Labs, opt into a new Google test called Audio Overviews, which lets you basically have Google summarize using that Notebook LM type of feature where it actually reads. It's pretty entertaining, actually. It reads like the AI overview or a version of the AI overview to you. Google said AI, audio overviews, which use our latest Gemini models to generate quick conversational audio overviews for certain queries. That quick? I mean, I tested a little bit. It's really a nice, fun conversational between two people, but it never really mentions the brand unless you specifically ask about a brand. So, like, if you ask for a question, like it will source sites and site citations, but it will not actually say where it's sourcing it from. Which, again, I tested a little bit, so maybe I missed some of these, but it's kind of upsetting. And Google's even title of their announcement of this says, "Then click through to learn more." I mean, nobody's clicking through on an AI audio overview. So again, this is just a labs thing. I don't know if this will like graduate to the main search results. Who knows? I mean, it's just amazing. People are just so lazy that they first need feature snippets, then they need AI overviews, and now they need Google to read AI overviews to them because they're just going to read it. So I shouldn't say that. People are lazy. People are great.
Very lazy. Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna give you styles. Like, read me the AI overview of the style by David Bowie singing a lullaby.
Do you want? I think this should be terrifying.
Oh no,
to anybody making content, terrifying. The fact that it seems that it generates a 3-minute and 37-second clip of an answer from multiple different sources. Does it cite the source? Like, how do you know where it's coming from? How are you ever going to, if you hear something, how are you going to understand anything? Like, if I want to find more, it seems like there's many options here.
Yeah. I mean, you gotta click through to the links below it, but people are listening. You're right. It's weird. I don't see this graduating as it is, but I can see elements of this showing up in the search results somehow.
I see it. Well, I would listen to everything, and I would never go to a website again.
Really?
Yeah.
All day long, Greg would just be like asking things,
just listening. Yeah.
I would just search something and play it while I'm working, and I just won't have to read it, and it just comes right into my ears. What? I would love that.
Okay.
I mean, I don't love this. I think this is bad because it's like this. I don't know how you do this and ever send traffic anywhere again.
But whose
Yeah.
voice are you picking? Like Arnold Schwarzenegger, whose voice are you picking to read these things? for you?
Oh, can we
Your voice,
choose?
please.
Yeah, I'm saying they should let you choose, like Waze lets you choose voices.
Yeah,
I don't know if you guys remember, I forgot the voice, the speakable markup, which like for feature snippets.
Yeah,
But that was like this brand, this website said this, and this. I just think it should be written like that. Like we're pulling this information from here, here, and here, and here. Of course, you're not going to click, but at least there's a solution towards it. Anyway,
like, what if you get lumped in with and it's a question about something and somebody else has incorrect information, which happens a lot.
Oh, yeah.
There's a disclaimer. These AI audio overviews may not be right.
This is scary, man.
All right. Talking about things that are right are ads charts, right?
Yes, they are. So yeah, Melissa Mackey Melissa Mackey mentioned that she saw some new features. It's not rolled everywhere. I can't even actually see it in the Google Ads account that I have. And under adjust, you can now select different chart types in the campaign view. So you could always see, this kind of like, the numbers and being able to see how they varied over time kind of thing and do comparisons in like the main like dashboard first view when you're getting into your Google Ads account. But now when you click into campaigns, you can now see the numbers for your different campaign. And it seems to be a hit with Melissa as well as Andrew McGarry and Manicham as well. So a few people are liking that. And another, quite a small update for Google Merchant Center, where the settings gear has moved from the top of the screen to more like the left-hand side of like all those menus that you get on the left-hand side, which is I think quite intuitive for where you expect to see menu items. So if you open that up, you see your normal view of your general business info, data sources, etc.
Yeah, great. Yeah, and that was spotted by Emmanuel Flossie. It's a nice find there. And then Greg, you want to talk about size problems?
Yes, the bane of my existence. JK. Okay, so with custom segments, one thing that you can do is create these custom segments in off of different elements, right? Like if I say, hey, I'm a financial product or something, I could say I want to target people that have Robinhood installed or like an app. And then you can also target like websites. And Thomas Cassell, this seems new to me. I don't remember this whatsoever. I know once you clump everything together, you would get a number, but you could see based off of like search activity or again, apps downloaded, sites visited, basically a number that is how many people are in that audience segment. And that exact example I just did last week. I made one targeting people that use apps that are similar to what we offer, and then people targeting sites. And so with this, you can now see if that audience is too big, right? Like if it's something too general, it might be too large of an audience for you, or if something is just really, really small, you can see that as well here. So I think this is a great update, and you never really want to have an audience too small or too large. You want the middle bear. What's the Goldilocks? What happened with Goldilocks? She die? I think she's dead.
Yeah.
I don't know.
She had horrible SD from the bear.
Jeez. I better look that up on ChatGPT. That's for you, Morty.
The king of transition.
Oh my god! Oh, are you fully recovered from your faint yet?
You know what's funny?
Seriously, Mordy.
She's so bad at making the transition, but they're so obvious, and I'm so bad at taking them.
We should maybe just stop transitions.
So
Just say,
OpenAI said
talk.
to make ChatGPT better.
All right. Thank you, Morty. Have a great day, everybody.
One of the things they said was that the responses might be longer, which I think is interesting because everyone knows they want really short responses. They're saying we make them longer, and they might show unexpectedly a train of thought, which I would love to see, like that train of thought. But that'd be interesting. But it's really a whole bunch of nothing. They're saying I'm better, and they're better. So use us. We're better.
Yeah, and they let you upload an image, so you could do multimodal stuff. I think is something new there too.
This really is better.
Better. All right, everyone. Thanks so much for being with us on It's New. I think.
Can I tell one funny story from SMX?
Fine.
We have time, right?
Yeah.
We
So
do.
I'm in I'm in the bathroom in the urinal line, waiting to use the urinal, and somebody behind me starts talking and say, "Hey, I like your videos and stuff." So I start talking to him. He's a super nice guy, Elad, I believe. And then I hear this voice in the bathroom out of nowhere saying, "Again, there's the line for the urinals. They're fully in use." And this person goes, "Hey, oh yeah, you want me to take your picture together in front of the urinals?" And I'm like, "That's a crime, brother." And I look over, it's Barry.
Weirdo.
Barry Schwartz.
What weirdo would say something like
In
that?
the bathroom, at the in front of the urinals. I'm like, "Guys, no, there's no cameras coming out. Nothing's happening. Everything's fine here."
Oh my god.
Hmm.
Oh, that's great.
That's from a guy.
Amazing.
That's from a guy who has like a Google thing installed right next to his outlet, and he doesn't even know it, tracking every move of his. Yeah, I thought it'd be a good picture opportunity. I almost got a picture with Phil Simms right by the urinal.
You can't take pictures in the bathroom, Barry.
I've seen some.
Joey Swallow.
Barry's got a whole album.
Folder urinal shots.
You can probably Google that on Google Photos. Anyway, thanks so much for being here. We're back tomorrow with more news. Everyone have a great day. Bye-bye.
Bye.